All right, what's up, everybody? We're back again. We're back again on the charts. I live here. Hopefully, one day you will too. I'm just kidding. So we're jumping right back in today. We're going to talk about trend lines, and trends in the market. So if you come over here to your trading view, second from the top, you're going to get a trend line tool. I'm going to use this one specifically today to chart up our trends. What is a trend? Most people know what trends are. In the market, you usually get an uptrend, like we see right here. Market's going up, up, up. You get a downtrend, kind of what you see right here, or you get what we call consolidation. Consolidation is basically when the market doesn't really move too far, came up, came down, came up, came down, but pretty much stayed in the same area or price point. So uptrends, downtrends, and consolidation are the only movements you're really going to see in the market. So being able to identify them quickly is what I'm going to help you with today. And so an uptrend, usually a trend is going to be signified by similar color candles in a row. Let's keep it that simple. When you see a lot of similar colored candles in a row, that's usually the sign that you're in a trend. Look at all these green candles. Small interruption, continued. Small interruption, continued. We even had a little down run and then continued again. So usually when you get those runs of similar colored candles, you're in a trend. If in my case, since my candles are green, if I get a bunch of green candles, that could mean I'm in an uptrend. And if I get a bunch of blue candles, that could mean I'm in a downtrend. Now, in a trend, when you're drawing your trend, when you're watching live, maybe you don't have all this information, but if you do, then you want to basically just trend yours up. You want at least 2 points of contact, and you don't really want to skip points. What I mean by that is when the market was over here, you didn't know this was going to happen. So you usually want to go with information that you have. And in this case, since we have this, we're going to draw this trend up here. And so I have 2 points of contact on this trend. Here's the starting point, here's the second point, and then here's the point where we potentially broke the trend. So why do I know if I want to know if the market's trending or not? You want to know if the market's trending or not. That's going to help you understand basically who's in control. In this case, the buyers are pushing the market up. And so when you're in an uptrend like this, you don't really want to go against the market and start selling because the trend's up. You want to go with the trend. The trend is your friend. Your likelihood of success goes way up when you're trading with the trend. And so I just chose this point right here because that's when the market started taking off. And so I could say that the trend was from here to here. Once we broke that right here and closed below it, that trend was officially over, this particular trend. But as you guys see right here, once we came down here, the trend started again. There was another trend right there. Boom. 1 point of contact, 2 point of contact. Started trending up again, and then eventually that trend broke also. So typically you want just those 2 points of contact. It can be a wick or a body, and that's going to tell you. So once this happened right here, it doesn't mean we're going to sell. All it means is the uptrend got broken. And so you may want to consider reversals. But in this case, it actually kept going. But so when a trend gets broken, it doesn't mean automatically, oh, let's just go the other way and start selling. No. All it means is you may want to pause and take a look and see if the market's starting to put in lower lows, lower than this low or lower than this low. And that's going to tell you if the market's ready to reverse or not. It could be just a pause like it was here, and then you continue to the upside. All right, let's take a look at a downtrend. The downtrend, you guys see it the same way. Here's my starting point, and then here's a point of contact for my downtrend. Currently, this is USD CAD, and we are currently in a downtrend. You see, here's the start here. Here's my 1 point of contact. The market is still below this trend line, so we are trending down. So if I were trading, I'd be looking for sales on USD CAD as opposed to buys because I see that the trend's moving downward. All right. And so that is support. I'm sorry, that is uptrend, that is downtrend. And we'll come back and touch base there on consolidation here in a second. Everybody have a wonderful day. Thank you.